daily research go in the internet. Everything that I feel tickle here. I would research that. Everything. What would I do if my child was choking? If my child has a fever? Everything that I can find out about what to do with a baby, I did that. And then I came across banking cord blood. And so I asked my doctor about it, and I also read the brochure and researched about it as well. And I said, if there's something I can do to further protect my child, in the future, then I will do that. So that's what made me decide.
But why did you choose Cord Life?
I chose Cord Life first because my OB recommended it, and I trust her with my life and my baby's life. So that's one reason. And the second reason is the facilities here in the Philippines. I researched about the company, and it's stable and it's secure. So I guess that's something that I look for in choosing the blood bank, the cord blood bank for Noah.
Can you share with us the investment that you had to make?
The investment, I've talked to some others and they would say that it's quite expensive, they might not be able to afford it. But I think more than the financial investment, I'm investing in Noah's life, in Noah's health. So it's really, I guess you can say it's worth the cost that the investment that we had to make. And even Cord Life offers flexible payment options anyway, so it really wasn't very difficult for me and my husband.
Right. It's the same thing with my baby. I thought about okay, it's not exactly ready money that you have. Other than that, it will cost you something. But I know my brother, cord blood banking was not available. You had to go to Singapore at the time, and they wanted to, but they were thinking of the cost. But now that Cord Life is in the Philippines, it's more accessible, right? Nina, what about your birthing story?
It's quite an experience. The first one, I was hospitalized 3 times, and it was really like hell. Well, the first time I was hospitalized, I was 4 months pregnant. Good thing it was past my first trimester. But I had very high fever. It was like 39.9, like almost 40. And when you're pregnant and you have that kind of fever, it's dangerous, very dangerous, according to my doctor. As long as, it's fever na mataas, you have to really go to the hospital right away. So we did. And unfortunately, they couldn't find out what kind of virus it was, or bacteria. It wasn't dengue, it wasn't malaria. I was tested for all these things, but it turned out to be a non-specific virus, so we never knew what it was. I got better, fortunately. And then a week after that, I was rushed to the hospital after our Christmas party, and I had food poisoning. So I was throwing up, and I was severely dehydrated. I actually fainted in the toilet, so my husband had to almost carry me to the car to be able to go to the hospital.
How did you get to the conclusion that you would like to, bank the cord blood of your babies?
Before I got pregnant, I actually guested Dr. Arvin in my program, and there you are, Doc. And he was talking about cord blood banking. Wala pa akong, anak ko, hindi pa ako buntis. So sabi ko, definitely, after talking to him and hearing all this information, I told myself, definitely, I cannot get cord blood banking for my baby. So even before that, though, I know my friends would do it, but they would bank in Singapore or in the US. And it takes, it's very expensive. So when I found out that it was open here in the Philippines, I grabbed the opportunity.
Can you share with us the motivation to avail of all 3? The cord blood banking, the cord lining banking, and the Metastream?
All 3, I'm not the expert, but I don't know the technical aspect as much, but I know that apart from cord blood banking, at least you're also secured on other blood diseases when I'll have skin grafting, or in case I need a plastic surgery. And then also for the Metastreaming, because when there's a newborn screening, it's only 5, you get tested for 5 things. At least for Metastreaming, you get tested for more than 100 diseases. So, and it's painless and worry-free, so why not?
Alright, Lara, why bank with Cord Life?
Like what I said earlier, I think it's the same as getting travel insurance when you go out and you're hoping nothing happens to you, but you
Yes.
just want